Hi everyone, in front of me I've got T-Tablet and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom again to localize the build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now we can, or actually a quick disclaimer, if you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend you check our tutorial about it. So now we can go back to the general settings and enter the system. So let's tap. Now let's enter developer options, which we've just activated. And here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates. So just tap on this switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to remember about updating your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.